Hi, my name is Whitney Farmer, and I am from Hamburg, Arkansas. I teach at Crosstead Elementary School. I teach first grade. I have two daughters, Olivia and Chloe. Olivia is 10 years old and she's in the fourth grade, and Chloe is 5 years old and she's in kindergarten. And they both attend the same school that I teach at. My husband's name is Andy, and he and I have been married for almost 17 years. This is my first full year to teach. I went back to college when I was 32 to finish my bachelor's degree and finished that up when I was 34 and began teaching right after Christmas of last year. And now I'm in the MAT program and I am enjoying every minute of teaching, and I'm excited to learn and grow more and become a better teacher for my students. Thank you.